the armed forces of Ukraine said Russia lost 690 servicemen within a day, including 2 tanks, 18 armored fighting vehicles and 6 drones. In total, Kremlin lost 196,310 servicemen during Russia's full-scale aggression. Ukraine shows the crews of 18 separate army aviation brigades continue to carry out the assigned combat tasks. Russia and Ukraine conflict lasts for 441 days. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelenskiy swears to repel all Russian invaders from Ukraine. The Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesperson Igor Konashenkov May 10 said operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery of the Russian group of forces have engaged 98 AFU artillery units, manpower, and hardware in 119 areas during the day. Russian air defense units have shot down one Su-27 airplane of Ukrainian Air Force near Izyum, Kherson region. Air defense systems have downed 4 HIMARS projectiles during the day. In addition, 10 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles were destroyed close to Avdiivka, Donetsk People's Republic. In total, 420 jet fighter and 230 helicopters, 4,062 unmanned aerial vehicles have been destroyed. Also 421 air defense missile systems, 9,067 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 1,098 combat vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,780 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 10,103 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!